Hello, today we will guide you through how to attach documents to transactions, bills, and expenses in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you know exactly where to go and what to click, plus a few tips to help your records stay clean and audit ready. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and head to your main dashboard. Once you're in your company, look to the top left of the screen for the Create button. Hover your mouse over Create to reveal the full list of options you can start from. This is your quick way to add new forms without leaving the page you're on. From that menu, choose Expense. We'll demonstrate the attachment process on an expense, but know that the same approach works when you are working with bills or other transactions in QuickBooks Online. The expense form will open, showing fields like Payee, Payment Account, Date, and Amount. You don't have to complete those fields right now to attach a file, but it's helpful to have your document handy so you can confirm details as you go. On the expense form, find the Attachments area, click Attachments to open your file browser. From here, browse your computer or shared drive to locate the document you want to keep with this expense. Common choices include a vendor receipt, an invoice copy, or a PDF confirmation. Supported files typically include PDFs and common image formats. Choose clear, legible files and avoid password-protected documents, as they can cause upload issues. When you select your file, QuickBooks will upload it and show it in the Attachments section. If your naming convention is messy, consider renaming the file before uploading, so it's easy to identify later. Many teams include the vendor name, date, and amount in the file name. If needed, you can add more than one attachment to support the same expense, such as a receipt and a related email confirmation. Once your document is attached, take a moment to verify the preview and confirm it matches the expense you're recording. If anything looks off, remove the attachment and pick the correct file. This quick check helps prevent confusion during reconciliations and audits. When everything looks good, select Save and Close. Your expense and its attachment are now stored together. Later, when you open this transaction, you'll see the file right in the Attachments section, ready for review or download. Use this same flow when working with bills or other transactions to keep your books complete, consistent, and easy to verify.